Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? I'm going to show you Bright Diamond Q Max trick. You can see this offer. This offer costs 171 Indian rupees and the queue is not maxed. But I will show you the method. I will explain you the method to max this trick. You were thinking that why I'm speaking in English. Because a lot of people requested me in my comments to upload this video in Gulabi English. I don't know English too much, but I will try my best to explain you this trick to get Bright Diamond Q Max without any cost, full free method and safe method. You just need to follow all my steps that I'm doing and you will get free full maxed Bright Diamond Q. I will apply this trick in my big account with 579 level, and you can apply this trick in your Facebook account, Miniclip account or Gmail account, in any account. This is full safe trick, full safe method. Guys, you just need to download some applications and a file. 8-ball pool, you can download it from Play Store. Multiple accounts, you can download it from Play Store. Also ZArchiver and Hex Editor are available on the Google Play Store. You can see that here is Google Play Store. You can download from here. Okay, and the last application we need is Virtual Backup. The link of Virtual Backup is given in the description of my video. Now you think that it is very difficult trick, you just need to download too much application. No guys, it is very easy trick. It is just, the trick takes 5 minutes and you just need to collect pieces. What you guys need to do is to first of all open multiple accounts when you downloaded all the things. Now you need to add 8-ball pool and Virtual Backup in your multiple accounts. You can see that here is a plus button. Here you see 8-ball pool. When you press the plus button, it will be added over here. And Virtual Backup, do the same thing for Virtual Backup. Now if you have Facebook account, you need to add Facebook from here. You need to have Facebook in your mobile. You need to download the Facebook and you will log in for your Facebook over in this application in multiple accounts. Now I'm opening the Facebook and I will log in my Facebook account in Facebook. I just logged in my Facebook account in multiple account Facebook. Go back and just open 8-ball pool. Now when your 8-ball pool is open, now just log in with your Facebook account. Okay, and it will ask for permission to log in, and now easily your Facebook account will be logged in this app. You can see that. Now what you need to do is to just put your mobile and wait for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes like this you will get updating like this. When it got updated, you need to just close the application. You just need to close the application and open Virtual Backup in the multiple accounts. All the tricks you need to do is in the multiple account. Now you will click on backup and com.miniclip.8-ball pool. Okay, now the backup ended. You can see that here backup ended. You just need to go back and then again go back and open ZArchiver. You will see in your download folder I already given the link of Bright Diamond Q Max latest trick promo file in my description, link in the description. Okay, you just need to copy this, go back and go back again and search for Virtual Backup. Here is a Virtual Backup. Now you need to go to com.miniclip.8-ball pool, then click on files, then contents, then documents, user defaults, and here just paste this and apply to all files and replace. Okay, the file will be replaced. Now what you need to do is to close this, minimize this and open Hex Editor. You need to give the permission of allow, okay, in the Hex Editor. Okay, now open files, external. You will see that there is a folder of Virtual Backup. Just click on here it and com.miniclip.8-ball pool, files, contents, documents, user defaults, then click on promo system.plist. You just need to click over here and find values. Type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, and now over here string value, this is the just click over here and select string value. Now find and replace all. What you need to do is the replace this value. You need to just type your unique ID of the account in which you want to max the queue. Here you can see that, here I am going to see that what is the unique ID of my account. Okay, I'm just opening my 8-ball pool. You can also type the unique ID of your account on a paper to keep in mind your unique ID. Now I'm opening 8-ball pool to see what is my unique ID. My unique ID is 19895300498. Okay, I will just type this unique ID over here, replace value. I just typed my unique ID of my 8-ball pool unique ID to max in my account. The account in which you are going to max, you need to put your unique ID, not my unique ID. Now just click on find and you will see that 3 value has been replaced. You just need to click on OK and click on this save. Okay, the values are now saved. Now you can close all of these, and here you just need to go to multiple accounts again and open virtual backup. Now restore the backup. Click on restore 8ballpool.miniclip.8ballpool. click on this and you will see the backup will be restored. We just need to wait for the backup restore. If you follow all my steps, step by step, all steps, you will get free max like me. I'm just showing you. The backup is ended. Now you need to go back and click on 8-ball pool. Open your 8-ball pool in the multiple accounts. When your account is open, you just need to go to, you will see that the free Diamond Rush Bright Diamond Q pieces. You just need to click on claim and minimize your game and then open it again. Just now you will collect again and again these pieces, and listen to me that it will take 3 days to collect all the pieces. Do the same trick next day and next day. First day you will level up to 9, second day you will level up to 14 or 15 your queue, and the last day you will get the max bright diamond queue. Okay, you will apply trick 3 days to get this queues max. You don't need to have any piece of this already. You just click again and again and your pieces will be collected like this, and you will get max bright diamond queue in your account. You know, I already told many tricks on my YouTube channel. You can see that in my videos, and I am very sad to see that 70% of the people watching my video did not subscribe to my channel. So please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. If you got free queues, free coins, free pool passes or many other things, you just need to claim again and again like me. Your queue will be maxed in 3 days. First day it will be level 9, second day it will be level 14, and the last day it will be level maxed. The trick is working on the latest version 5.4.3 8-ball pool. It is the easiest trick. Okay, you can see that. Let me show you over here in the queues section. You can see that I am getting pieces and my level of the queue is upgrading. You can see that. What you just need to do is to follow all my steps step by step, all the steps, and you will get max Q. Minimize again and again, and your Q will be maximum. You can see that level 8, and let me again minimize and open, and now you can see that I'm again getting these pieces again and again. You just need to minimize and open your 8-ball pool, and you will get max 8-ball pool bright diamond Q. The next day what you need to do is to open multiple accounts and click on virtual backup and click on restore. You just need to restore this. Once you restore this next day, after claiming to level 9, just restore it again, and you will start getting pieces again the next day, and the last day you will get max bright diamond Q. This is the easiest trick, safest trick, and free trick. Okay, please subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos for you, inshallah. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.